Well, I wasn't expecting this outcome today, but as I was mowing under this tree, the transmission belt came out. It's broken, so I went to Tractor Supply, got a new one, and I'm going to show you how to change it. And luckily the tractor broke out under a tree, not in the sun, because it is 97 degrees today, next to the chicken coop. That's why all the beeping, little chicks, pullets. And put a tarp under the tractor so this doesn't turn into a mess. And thankfully I have these two rigid toolboxes which came out great to get the rear of the tractor elevated. And if you're wondering, this is the part number of the transmission belt. So if you go to Tractor Supply, you're going to see a bunch of these, all of them with 3 loops. Just go look for the one with 2 loops. If you have a Cub Cadet ZT1, and then just look for this part number right there. The craziest thing is that it's not that the belt broke, I have to cut it, because if this is the pulley where it has to be, the belt end up being right here, like so. And there's this clutch connector. I don't know how in the world this came through this little gap without breaking the connector. I mean, there's no space whatsoever. I really don't know. It's a miracle that didn't break down, so I end up cutting it. So step number 1, in order to put the drive belt in its location, the deck belt has to come out. It's relatively easy. It can be done by hand pretty much, just like that. Also the electronic clutch cable needs to come out, so you're just pulling this tab up and just pull back. And next I'm going to remove this bracket and doing this bolt right there. This is a 12, no, it's a 13. And since we are in America, this is a side bolt. I just found in my truck, where everything is metric, that I have a set of standard sockets. My God. Oh. Golly. Oh. This thing is tight. We are winning. We are winning. All right. So the spring that is connected here and to the deck is it came out, so I'm going to install it later. But now, in order to run the belt through this pulley, I need to undo this bolt. And here I have the spring already mounted, the tension spring that goes between these 2 points. And this is how it looks from the top. So this is how to route the belt. As it comes from the engine pulley, it goes to the left transmission pulley. Left when you're in your left when you are driving the 0 turn, which is my right because I'm at the bottom. And it goes through this pulley and then all the way into the right pulley, back to the transmission pulley or the drive pulley. So yeah, this is the way. It took me a little bit to figure it out. Now, very important when putting the bracket back together, you see these nuts right here. This bracket, the plastic thingy, goes in the notch and then in its place. So it's going to be like that. And last, I'm going to put the deck pulley, the deck belt, into the deck pulley. Just like that. Very important double check that everything is inside the pulleys, all the belts inside the pulley, right there, all good. Everything looking good. Connector back in, and we're ready for takeoff. All right, moment of truth. Stable, stable. Sketchy but stable. All right, coming down. Coming down. Moment of truth. Will this thing blow up or not? We'll see. Let me get these blocks out. Thank you for watching.